the smartphone charger monitor. Charge your phone in public without a worry. Whether you're at the airport or a cafe, the HawkEye keeps phone snatchers at bay. When your smartphone is disconnected from your cable, the HawkEye will emit an audio-visual alarm to scare off the thief. The HawkEye also watches your cable in many other ways. Never leave your cable and charger behind with the audio-visual alert reminder. Monitor charging performance with HawkEye's intuitive display. The display tells you when the device is fully charged. All it takes is a quick glance to verify the charging status. HawkEye, the smartphone charger monitor.